Designing electromechanical systems presents a significant collaboration challenge, especially without the right tools for the job. Ideally, you should be able to design your electrical and mechanical systems simultaneously, sharing up-to-date information between your electrical schematics and your 3D models. Autodesk Inventor helps bridge the gap between electrical and mechanical designers by connecting your individual tools in real time. Let's take a look. The foundation of this workflow is the ability to share information back and forth using a simple electromechanical link. Once established, you can start sharing live data between Inventor and AutoCAD Electrical. Any changes you make in one system are quickly synced in the other, so everyone is always working from the latest version of the design. The location window is a shared module between Inventor and AutoCAD Electrical that shows all components and wires in your design in a single location. Components are listed by installation and location, making it easy to keep both applications in sync. And linking CAD files from your 3D models to their 2D schematic counterparts can be done simply, all within the browser. There's also an electrical catalog browser for Inventor, so you can insert 3D parts by selecting a catalog value that's linked to the AutoCAD electrical database. You can download 3D electrical component models from vendors, or create your own and associate them to a specific catalog value. The part will then be associated for future use, so you can build up your electrical library for future design work using the same components. Once all your components are placed, you can automatically create all the cable and wire connections between them. And whether the wire connections are created in AutoCAD Electrical or defined inside Inventor, they'll always be in sync with each other, updating any time changes are made in either software. When you need to design complex electromechanical systems, you need tools that can speak the same language. With Inventor and AutoCAD Electrical, your mechanical and electrical engineering teams are always working together from the same point in the development process, helping move the design forward.